right, so y'all, this is a homework problem out of 6.6. This is actually question number 7. You can see that right here. It's number 7 out of 6.6. And so we're trying to see if we can figure out this problem. And it says, on a map, the distance between two mountains is 3.5 inches. The actual distance between the mountains is 144 miles. Russ is camped at a location that on the map is 3/4 of an inch from the base of the mountain. How many miles is he from the base of the mountain? Okay, so look, y'all, first thing I'm gonna do, one fraction equals another fraction. Okay, so it's telling me that 3.5 inches on the map is the same thing as 144 miles. So 3.5, y'all, I'm gonna convert that to a decimal. That would be 3.5, right? So 3.5 inches is the same thing as 144 miles. Now, what we have is, we know that on the map, we are 3/4 of an inch. So I'm gonna convert 3/4 of an inch to a decimal, and that would be 0.75. So look, y'all, this here is in inches. So since my number on the top here is inches, this one also needs to be inches. And then we'll call this X miles, okay? So that's supposed to be in inches, okay? And now I'm just gonna cross multiply. So let's see, 3.5 times X is a 3.5X. And then I'm gonna take 144 times 0.75. I'm gonna do this on my calculator, y'all. So I'm gonna say, okay, what's 144 times 0.75? I'm coming up with 108. So 3.5x is equal to 108. And then I'm gonna go ahead and divide both sides by 3.5. Okay. So let me take 108 divided by 3.5. And I'm coming up with 30.8571 and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm coming up with 30.85 and some other business after there. And the directions on my problem are telling me we're gonna round this to the nearest whole number. So 30.085, that number would actually round up to a 31 because we're rounding it to the nearest whole number. So I'm gonna say that's closer. So remember, when I'm rounding 30.85, I'm asking myself, is that number closer to 30 or 31? And it's closer to 31, okay? So if y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.